Hi, hello friends, welcome to One Electronics. In this video, we are going to see how to install Microchip Studio in your PC. For that, first you have to go to your web browser and search Microchip Studio. Here you can see this is the official web page for Microchip Studio. So click here. And this is the official page for Microchip Studio. So click download Microchip Studio. Here you can see this is the web installer version and this one is the offline installer version. We have to go with offline installer version. So click here for download. Here you can see download is started. It's around 961 MB. Here you can see the offline installer version is fully downloaded. So double click this one. Click run. Here you can read the term and conditions and then you have to click I agree to license term and then you have to choose your path to install in your PC and then click next. Here you can see there are three type of microcontrollers are there: AVR, UC3, SAM. If you do not want to install UC3 and SAM, you unplug this tag. If you want to install, you have to plug this one and click next and click next. Here you want to ensure your system is valid for this software. Here all ticks are correct in my PC. You have to check this system validation before you install. This is highly recommended. Then click next. And while you have to install the Microchip Studio, MB Lab software also installed. So click install. Click yes. Here this is the setup for MB Lab XC8 compiler. So click next, accept the agreement and then click next, then click next. Choose your path to serve in your PC this software. So then click next. Here you can see at XC3 in path environment. This is important to compile the code. Then click next. so lesson is completed. Then click this launch Microchip Studio and close it. Then it is automatically open. This is the interface of Microchip Studio. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want more video like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.